this play-doh. We're gonna make like a pool. We're gonna do this. Okay. And now we're gonna put cakey in it. Yay! She loves it. But it's actually kind of rolly. Yeah, it's kind of rolly. Wait, I think you have a surprise. Let's get it. And open it. Okay, let me open it for you. Make this so hard. Okay. Oh! Whoa! Oh! We got rainbow. I don't really know what these are called. But they can hang out with us. Eee. Little feety. Yeah.